Exercise 35. In the equation above, 847 millions equals to 365.25x. The number of 844 millions represents the length in kilometers, so it's kilometers, of Mars orbit about the Sun, and 365 represents the time, so it's equal to time times x. What does x represent in this equation? If we use these two units and simply solve for x, we will see that it represents the kilometers over time. So even if we are not able to actually extract the given info, we know that x will be measured in this unit, kilometers over time. So is it the distance? Is it d? No. Is it the radius of Mars orbit? No. The diameter? No, because these are all measured in lengths. They should have been measured in just kms. But here we have kilometers over time. So this is what speed is actually. So the speed in kilometers over day. So km over time. The right answer for this would be C, but keep in mind the trick I did. Even if I'm not able to actually understand what's the interpretation in terms of context of x, I will use the units combined to understand the unit through which I will also measure x. That's how I did it here. I knew from the beginning that x is km over time, so I went based on that to search for the possible right answer.